Hi students, today we are going to talk about the chapter fundamental operations, and this is a part of the algebra. Now I would suggest that before you get into this chapter, go back to the previous chapter which talks about the fundamental concepts, where they have spoken about like what is a constant, what is a variable, what are algebraic expressions, what is a power, what is a degree, what are coefficients. These are very, very important concepts. But today I'm going to talk about another interesting thing, which is like terms and unlike terms, right? So what is a like term? Let me give you an example. Like term is like 4x, 5x, right? Like terms, these are like terms. 3xy, 7xy. These are like terms. 8x square y, 9x square y. Just note the similarity and then I'll explain. 15x y square, 13x y square. These are like terms. What is the common thing in between? See the power of the same variable. What is the variable here? X is the variable. What is the power? 1 in both cases. Hence, they are like terms. Very important. You have to ignore the constants. 4 and 5 are constants. They can be anything, right? It can be 10, it can be 100. But we have to focus only on the variable X, Y, and Z maybe. Let's see the second one. 3xy, 7xy. xy, xy same, their powers are also same, 1 and 1. Let's see this one, x square y, variable x, power 2, variable x, power 2, variable y, power 1, variable y, power 1. And similarly this one, xy square, xy square. There can be another one, 9x, y, z, 15 x, y, z, or 17 y, z, x, or 12 z, x, y. Can you tell me all these are like or unlike terms? These are all like terms because they have same variables, and their powers are also same. X has a power 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. Similarly for y and z. So these terms are like terms. Very, very important. X, Y, Z is like writing 3 into 4 into 5. Y, Z, X is like writing 4 into 3 into 5. They are same. These are like terms. What are unlike terms? Very simple now. 4x, 5y. Two different variables, though their powers are same, but their variables are different. We have to focus only on the variables, ignore the constants. Anything else? 3x square y, 5x y square. Now see, focus on the variables. X has a power 2, x has a power 1. Y has a power 1, y has a power 2. So these are two unlike. Similarly, I can say 8x y square and anything 7x y. I can make out these are unlike terms, isn't it? See the powers? Very different. This is very, very important because when we do the addition and subtraction, the only two terms which can be simplified or can be made one are the like terms. Okay, just to explain you better, let me solve these three sums. Now tell me, if you have understood the concept of like and unlike, can you tell me which are the like terms here? So I can see the variables a square b square here. I can see one more a square b square here. So these two are like terms. They can be simplified. They can be made one. Simple addition. So 2a square b square, 8a square will be 10a square b square. Simple addition. Then let me see the other ones. ab square, ab square. These are also like terms. Plus 5 minus 3, 2ab square. Now, can this be further simplified? No, these cannot be further simplified because these are two unlike terms. Let me see the second one. xyz, yxz, zyx, zxy. All the variables same. Most important, their powers are same. Powers are same. So this can be clubbed, simplified into one number. Let's do the calculation. 9 plus 15, 24, xyz. And let me club them together. Minus 12, xyz, right? What is the answer? 12xyz. Simplified into one. The like terms can be simplified into one. Let's do the third one quickly. Which are the like terms? X square y. Are these two like terms? No. Be very careful. The power here is 2. The power of y is 2. Don't get confused. I have already explained you here. So this 6x square y, I don't think so. There is anything x square y here, but xy square and xy square, these are similar terms. These are like terms. So what I'm going to write is 6x square y plus 5x square y square, because again, this is a term which is not a like term with anybody. So I cannot simplify. I'll have to write it as it is. But these two can be made into one, which is minus 3xy square. Minus 2xy square minus xy square is minus 3xy square. This is how you going to solve it when it comes into your exam. Simple. I hope you liked it. See you in the next one.